Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to install Codex Desktop and set up the Codex CLI step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Codex Download. Click on the first link in the results and download Codex Desktop for your system. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install it like any normal application. After installing, open Codex Desktop. To access settings, press Command + on Mac or Control + on Windows, or simply open the settings menu manually. Now, go to the MCP Server tab. Click on Add Server to create a new MCP Server configuration. Next, go back to the Codex website. On the left panel, find the CLI section, then click on the Overview tab. Scroll down until you see the CLI Setup section. Copy the npm command provided there. Now open your terminal. On Mac, use Terminal. On Windows, use Command Prompt. Paste the npm command and run it to install the Codex CLI. Once installation is complete, navigate to your project folder using the terminal. Then simply type Codex and press Enter to start using Codex from the command line. And that's it. You've successfully installed Codex Desktop and CLI. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.